Doosan VCF 850 machine is a large 5-axis machining centre. It has a B-axis head that can tilt to the left hand side or the right hand side of a component that can sit on the table. It also comes with an optional C-axis table that can be mounted either actually onto the table or can be flush mounted integral into the table of the machine. You can also get it with an option of an A-axis, that is a table that is on its side pointing down the X-axis. Here you see a simulation from FeatureCAM of the head working on the right hand side of a component. This is assuming that we don't have anything else onto the table, and we've got clearance to get the head around, all the way around the component on the right hand side. This is the more favourable location for machining because it means that we can use large tools, larger length tools from this side, but of course we may want to use the machine with a large component on the fixed bed on the right hand side of the component. So that's one example of how to use FeatureCAM with this machine. And what we also have within FeatureCAM is the ability to set up which side of the head we're wanting to work with. So here we've set up a tool change location at 1400, x minus 1400 from home. So we are always working with the head on the right hand side. Now all the setups within FeatureCAM here should be set to use the head on the right hand side. This is what we call the standard positioning. And by using the add-in, the software is checking, it's creating the tool change position to be on the right hand side of the component, and it's also checking that all of the features are actually on the standard side. In this next example we have the same component, but this time we're going to assume that we have operation one of the components on the right hand side of the table. So we want the head to tilt to the left. So within the add-in we've chosen a tool change location of x minus 2995. So now the tool will go to the left hand side of the component, almost the left hand extremes of the travel of the machine, to do any tool changing and to approach the component. So all of the features in this example are pointing in the alternative way, the alternate way, and therefore the add-in is checking that all tool change positions will now be at x minus 2995, and it's also checking that all features are on the left hand side and in the alternate positioning method. So there you see the operation 1 component on the right hand side of the table. So of course the head couldn't get down and work on the right hand side without interfering with the component that's fixed to the table.